I am going to show you Magic Grab today. Have you ever used it? Do you want to use it? Don't know what to do with it? I got you. My name is Pam, and I am a Canva geek and a Canvassador. So, um, just know that I really love Canva. Okay, anywho, I'm going to give you a step by step on how to make your images kind of unique. Okay. So, and we're going to use Magic Grab today. I'm only going to show you one image. The rest I'm creating video for. So, all right. I'm going to walk you through this. So this is an image that I got. Um, I probably made mid-journey probably. Okay. So I am going to create this out of it. So let's go. All right. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. All right. First thing we're going to do is there's this little ugly gray box right here that, as you know, when you do AI, they sometimes will get you. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to um, Magic Studio and I'm going to do Magic Eraser first. And let's just go, I'm going to go up on the brush size a little bit so I could do this. All right. AI always likes to give us little extra stuff that we do not ask for. Okay. And just do it again if it's still there. Okay, I think we are pretty good. Let me just do one more right there and let's go. Okay, so everything looks pretty good here. Now we are going to go back to Magic Studio right here, and we are going to grab Magic Grab. Okay, now I'm going to have to explain that these are pro features. Same with the Magic Eraser that I just used. They are pro features. If you want to try Canva Pro for free for 30 days, I got you. It'll be in the comments video description. Okay. Now, Magic Grab is freaking amazing. Just going to say that. Okay. So let's click on that. Bring this down a little bit. Now, back in the day, even at the beginning of this year, we only had the brush feature. Okay, we didn't have this click thing, but let me tell you, this click thing is freaking amazing and has saved me so much time, and I love it. Okay, so I'm going to click, and then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on what I want gone or what I want to grab. Okay, because there's many reasons. You don't always have to delete everything you grab. Okay, so I'm going to grab that. And yes, there is a little bit of his other foot, but it won't let me do it. And because it's so close to the dog's top of the head. So don't worry, we're not going to stress over that. So see how it took it out? I am just going to delete it because I'm not going to want it. And then I am going to go ahead and do the background remover. All right. And so let's look at this. For this image, I have used the BG remover, the Magic Eraser, and the Magic Grab. Okay, going pro on Canva is the best. All right, so now what I need to do is I am going to find the right color background. I do like the peach color, so we're going to go background color. And the colors are going to pop in over here. The image colors are right down here, like it says. However, these are not the ones. I mean, you can try them. but that takes away that color. I don't like that. Eee. Well, not too bad, but not what I was looking for, okay? So what I'm going to do is go up here to the eyedropper, add new color. Let's put that back to white or else I'm going to go crazy. Okay, so we are going to click on the add new color, the plus sign. Then we're going to go down to this little eyedropper, okay? And we're going to bring this eyedropper over into our image. Okay, and I'm going to come around and I'm going to see what color I want. And I'm thinking I want that light peach, right? So I'm just going to grab that. That's really too bright. So I am going to do that again. And come on. And I don't know if you can see the eyedropper, but it goes and picks out the colors. I was watching a video the other day and it didn't look like it showed this part. So what I'm doing is I have this little magnifying glass thing, and I'm just trying to find the colors. Okay, I like that color, so I'm just going to go ahead with that color. And then, let's see, I'm going to put him down a little bit. And so just work with, so you can grab the colors, any of these colors that you want. I think I just couldn't find that one color I'd found original, so I'm just going to use this one for right now. Okay, so next thing is I want to put a quote on there. Now I could just do text, but let's do something fun. Okay, so I'm going to go in here and I'm going to write quotes. It's in the search right above, over by the elements. I'm in elements, and then I put quotes in the search button. And I'm just going to click on inspirational because let's do that. And then I'm just going to go to graphics, not photos, graphics. And I have all kinds to work with, okay? But this is the one I found. Focus on the good. All right. And as you can see, these colors don't necessarily match, right? Well, thank goodness we can change them. So let's go ahead and do that. All right. So we're going to kind of do what we did with the eyedroppers. First, I'm going to take this, I'm going to do black for the outline. There we go. And then for this teal, I'm going to grab this teal color. So I can probably grab it right here from the photo colors. There we go. And then the orange, I'm going to go ahead and grab from the image. And I'm clicking on the eyedropper and I'm bringing it over to the flowers where there's orange there. Okay. And then I'm going to click on the orangish yellow one. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do the plus sign and eyedropper. And then I'm going to go over here with the eyedropper and find a nice, I think, yellow color. Okay. And then this one was probably supposed to be yellow too. But let's see what I can do. I'm going to eyedropper, and then I'm going to see what color can I use That's not up there. All these little dots are so tiny. Trying to get to one. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's see here. Good thing to do is go up here to go position. And it's already centered. That's perfect. Make sure this is centered, positioned. Okay, that's centered too. So that looks pretty good. Okay. And let's see the original one. Yep, I just used different colors. So yeah, I would probably not do these two together. So let's see here. Yeah, I like that too. All right, so that is how you use Magic Grab and other Magic Studio tools to get a very unique image.